Let's have a look at the Nasdaq. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, Nasdaq time. Let's have a quick look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq actually had a bit of a pullback on this sort of what I call like a bullish reversal flag. It looks to me it's a very bearish sign. I was saying this yesterday, but we just don't know when the market's likely to actually cause that pullback. Now, if we actually have a look at the actual what am I trying to say? This daily chart, we're actually still inside of this overall channel through here. So it did break down, but the buyers came right back in at the very last of the session, and we did hold this. If we do break this tomorrow, then I can see this actually having probably a race back down towards the around the low 5,000 level here on where this resistance level is, and that's on the short term there. That's what we can see if we do follow through. If not, then it may want to turn around and have a bit of a race for new highs. So that's definitely interesting to see what's happening through there. I'll look on the weekly charts. Let's go to the weekly chart first. This is the weekly chart here. You can see that this weekly bar already is potentially going to be the very first lower close bar on the weekly bar. So what I mean by that is, you can see on this weekly bar we had a higher close, higher than the open. Next week was closed higher than the open, closed higher than the open, closed higher than the open, closed higher than the open. This bar here was the open, and this one's the close here. So it's actually showing a little bit of weakness, and as you can see at this sort of top point here, that's where it's finding a bit of struggling at that market as well too. So really interesting to see what's actually going on through there, guys. Do we actually close higher? Do we not? It's going to be really interesting to see that. If we look at the monthly chart, and we can see what actually is happening on the monthly chart, and there we go, and you can actually see on the monthly chart, it says, okay, there was a lot of rejection up the top here. So the monthly chart is actually, that's the reason why we're getting a rejection here. So do we actually hold here? And if we do, then we're probably likely to get a bit of a rally back down towards the low 5,000, high 9,000s, low 5,000 level, especially on this monthly chart. You can really see here. Now, looking on the overall Nasdaq chart, guys, you can see that if we actually start to close and we actually start to get a nice move back down towards, say, the 4,600 and below, then we would have actually broken past this support line, past this support line, and past this support line, which is 3 monthly support lines. So really interesting. If we start to see that, then yes, we're going to have 1, 2, 3 triple top failure, and then we're likely to see, and we're going to bring we're likely to see that action on the Dow Jones. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.